The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has published the final list of candidates for 2020 governorship election in Edo State. This was contained in a statement made available to us on Saturday by Festus Okoye, Independent National Commissioner and Chairman Information and Voter Education Committee. He said the publication was in compliance with the INEC timetable and schedule of activities in accordance with the Section 34 of the Electoral Act 2010 as amended. Okoye added that the list of candidates on display at the Commission's offices in the Benin City, the Edo State capital, and the 18 local government areas of the state. This list has also been uploaded on the Commission's website, the electoral body disclosed in the statement made available to us. By Section 35 of the Electoral Act and the timetable and the schedule of activities of the Commission, the withdrawal and substitution of candidates for the Edo governorship election ended 13th July 2020. With the publication of the final list of candidates, no political party can withdraw or substitute any of the nominated candidates or tamper with the list and the particulars of the candidates in a manner inconsistent with the intendment of Constitution and Electoral Act. INEC urged political parties to pay close attention to the timelines stipulated in the timetable and schedule of activities of Commission, as well as the provision of Constitution and the Electoral Act. The Edo State 2020 governorship election holds September 19 with Pastor Osage Izeyamu of All Progressive Party and incumbent Governor Godwin Obaseki of the People's Democratic Party are top contenders. Now, let's hear what people have to say. Let's see people's comment as the election is coming up. Man, the matter is becoming hot. It's going to be hot. It's just September 19 and the election kicks off. Let's hear what they want to say. Best wishes, Obaseki. We aren't in doubt of your victory. We only wish your opponent quick recovery due to their anticipated flawless defeat. Oh, yes, they are already wishing Pastor Osage quick recovery, because this one believes that Obaseki is going to win the election, so he's wishing the opponent a quick recovery. All right, let's read this. Let the best party with confirmed strategy win. Only legends will understand that word. Confirm. All right, let's read this. Obaseki, now you will know. Oshomole, better hide. Obaseki, now you will know. Oshomole, better hide. That's what he said. That's, as I can see here, they are still supporting Obaseki. Okay, this one. See them advancing with election, but no cutout model for schools. Okay, this one is trying to talk about students that are not in section right now. Okay, he said, see them advancing with elections, but no cutout model for school students. Okay, Nigeria is all about politicians. Yes. They don't care about the students, whether the students are going to school or not. It's not their business. What the children are doing at home is not their business. Coronavirus, it's almost like, I don't know whether it's gone or it's not gone. We don't know, but we've not seen this incident physical. We've not even seen anybody that has coronavirus. So And everything in Nigeria is going on. There's markets, there's even they are trying to hold election, but they have not even fixed a date when the school will reopen. In school, I think in school they are going to teach the children how to manage themselves, how to wash their hands. But now none of those things is going on. They decide to let those children stay with their parents and be playing. That's not fair. Okay, let's read another comment. Politics is the gentle act of getting votes from the poor and campaign funds from the rich by promising to protect each from the other. Alright. Finally, Obaseki made the list. Where is Oshomole today? Yes, Oshomole, come and answer this question because I don't know where you are. Let the vote count. Bam. Let the vote count. So this cultist finally made it. Okay, who is the cultist? I don't know. Is it Obaseki? Is it Osage? We don't know. All right. Another one. They all have one target to achieve when they win: to embezzle as much money as they can. The only thing on their mind is money, money, money. Ew. Yes, you once said they all have one target to achieve when they win: to embezzle as much money as they can. The only thing on their mind is money, money, money. BC. Okay, let's read another comment. This one just said, okay. This one said, Obaseki will win. You can take that to the bank. He is very, very sure that Obaseki wins. Alright. Let's go again. Obaseki for the next governor of Edo State. Fuck shit, man. In that old woman's voice. I don't know that, but okay, fine. Obaseki will win. We believe you. Okay, this one said, APGA go win. Wahala o. We dey talk APC. They talk PDP. Now you don't carry APGA come. Anyways, I wish APGA luck. Okay, APGA will win. We believe you. Say no to a man with trade credits from a party of tax collectors. Be wise, Edo people. Be wise. Alright. Let the war begin. I said it before. Let the war begin. This is the main deal. Okay, it go shock people same way Arsenal match dey shock Manchester City fan right now. Hey, APC go surprise many people. Kai, let's see how it goes. You know, APC is in power. Let Buhari is still there. APC is in power. Buhari is there. Let's see what happens. If it's going to be a fair, free and fair election, let's see. If it's not, let's see. So let's read another call. Clash of the Titans. I pray for a violent free election and rigging free election. Amen. I pray so too. Alright. Let's look for another good comment and read. Okay. Let it be known that blaming your defeat on election server won't be allowed. I don't understand. Okay. Let's read another comment. You think Edo is Lagos? The IDP camp is big enough to accommodate all of you. I don't understand. Okay, let's read this long comment. It's not so long, but you just okay. Wow, this election has all the attention it needs, and it's kind of feel a way that the result of this election will determine if Ambode would have won if he had taken the bold step to switch to another party, but I feel it is still destiny. I wouldn't rule out Ambode as being innocent anyways, but I hope this can stop Tinubu and his followers from dictating who gets that seat. By the way, we have clearance sale for men's wear 50% discount. Check my profile for picture and prices. This man is here talking politics and at the same time advertising his goods. That's nice. Okay, he said, let's see if Obaseki wins. If Obaseki wins, then we'll determine if Ambode would have won in Lagos State if he had switched to another party, so that Tinubu and his followers will stop dictating who gets the seat, so that people will start taking bold step. If your godfather in APC says, brother, don't go again, you switch your party. Say no to godfatherism. Yes, let's read. Like for Obaseki, share for Easy Iyamu. Okay, he said like for Obaseki, share for Izu Iyamu. People that support Obaseki like, and people that support for Izu Iyamu should share. Yes, this is the end of the comments. Don't forget to drop your own comment because we are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. Just write your comment there. As much as you listen to this, write your comment and we'll reply to it. Tell us the person you're supporting and the person you're not supporting. Let's discuss it and have a good discussion. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit your notification button. Goodbye.